Importing contacts. So there are several ways to import your contacts, and depending on how complex your data is or how simple it is how you should determine which method to use. Import contacts is more of a simpler method, and so we're going to go over how to import contacts. At the top of this page, you see contact type, where you can select from the unknown, wholesaler, or cash buyers. If you leave it on unknown, it tells you that only email is required. And if you have it on wholesalers or cash buyers, it has a minimum amount of information that you can optionally put, or a few like the last name, first name, and the email being required in order to upload the contact into Rinseables. At the top of this, here you see download template. And if you click the download button, it'll actually download the template it to your computer. And so you could use that template to put your contacts together, normalize them, and then upload it into Rinseables, and it will upload. Additionally, there is a function check that checks for duplicates so that you can understand if you're uploading the same contacts if they're already inside of Rinseables. So no duplicates will be uploaded. So that's if we have it on wholesalers. And once again, it's the same for cash buyers. If we want to just copy and paste a large list of, let's just say, emails that we may have collected, we have the copy and paste section, which gives you some how-to instructions on the best way to get the data into Rinseables. You also can select the contact status. So if you want to upload these contacts as paused or removed or unsubscribed, if they're coming from somewhere else, then this will be a good opportunity to change the status and use that status as the status for the contacts you're trying to upload. Next is the bulk update section. So this is not related to importing contacts necessarily. However, if you want to change the status of some contacts for whatever reason, this is how you would do it in the bulk update. Down below, we have the update type where you can update the role or the status. You can also update the status here. And then also copy and paste the emails that you're looking for so that they can be found in Rinseables and the update can be made all at once. Additionally, you can do bulk updates inside of Rinseables in the contact section as well. You can also view import jobs, and this is where your historical import jobs will appear. Whenever you actually import a job, it will show some details here and what exactly happened. And that is your import contact section. So for the sake of this video, I've uploaded a test document to show you guys what you can expect. And once the document is uploaded, it will pull in all of the columns and the different sections that you've uploaded. And not all columns that you upload, unless you follow the template, will actually be able to go inside of Rinseables. So if you're getting any error, just be sure that you have the headers named correctly and in the proper place. So now we're going to hit confirm and upload the rows, and 40 of the rows had issues. The numbers must be valid. And so this is detecting that the numbers are in an invalid format. And so once we fix this, we will be able to upload the documents in short order. If you need to, you can actually open up the data editor. And here is where the information will be ported over. And then now you're able to granularly fix each one of these errors and be able to re-upload it.